This post is about financial discipline and is inspired by The Richest Man in Babylon, the book I read recently, and essentially a book review, and giving you 5, 6 key bullet points so that you are on the path of financial literacy. So, number one, minimum 10% of the earnings should go into a long term investment that is in the mode of compounding and is not to be touched. It's like the golden goose. The second point is that protecting the principal at all costs, which means avoiding very high risk investments that threaten the principal, and is good enough, for instance, to invest into an index fund in the Indian market. So you get a return of about 15% per year, and that is about 10% greater than the rate of inflation. So that kind of return is good enough. No need to, take the plunge into very high risk and threaten the principal. The third point is that 10% of the earnings must be spent on lifelong learning, because alongside the saving and investment, it's very important to increase the sources of income over a period of time. And the only way it can happen is with upskilling and personal development. So 10% of the annual earnings should be invested into lifelong learning. And the next point is about generating multiple sources of passive income. So the bent of that suggestion is that, let's say you have $1 million in your bank account and it generates a 15% return on investment. That is going to give you $150,000 per annum. And if you have a house of your own and you have got your expenses lower than $150,000 per annum, you have financial freedom because you have a passive income which you are earning without any effort, and it is already meeting your expenses. So that's the definition of financial freedom. And finally, it is important to network with mentors and business leaders who are more experienced to act as an inspiration and guidance for growth and progression. So those are the 5 main points. Hope it helps. And I really believe that financial discipline is the foundation of financial freedom. And of course, lifelong learning and networking go a big way.